Hi, today I'm for the new Redmi Note 12S and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the settings application, then tap to the wallpaper section. Click to agree. You will see here the wallpapers, the online wallpapers. You could use them if you are connected to the internet, to Wi-Fi or to mobile data. Also, we could switch wallpaper to profile, tap to wallpapers, and from here you will see all of the default wallpapers on your device. Also, you could click here to this plus icon, tap twice to allow, and here you will find the gallery file manager, Google Photos and Google Drive, and you could use photo from your device gallery, for example, or download it from the internet. Of pictures. So let's use one from the default wallpapers. Here you could tap to preview, then just tap to apply and select set as lock screen. You could turn on also wallpaper carousel. I don't want to do that. So now we can see that lock screen wallpaper applied successfully. Let's lock our device and we could see here that lock screen wallpaper has changed successfully. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just first we should pinch home screen, then on the left down corner tap the wallpaper icon, and by the same way let's just select one from these available wallpapers. So I'll use, for example, this one, or just let's find another one, for example this wallpaper. Tap to apply, click set as lock screen. By the same way agree or don't agree with the wallpaper carousel, and now we can see that the lock screen wallpaper applied successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.